In times past, the Rashas of Anand
chicken.
exotic animals here, including magnificent birds from all around the world. The Maharashas are long gone, but the birds remain. Birds of many nations, many species. Journey with us into a world that until now we've only observed from a distance. A world that fills the sky above with grace, color, and light. Until now, you may have ignored this vanishing world, but the free people of Anand use this ancient gathering place to promote the conservation effort you see going on all around the village. This is no fairy tale, but a true story in which you play an important part. Enjoy these beautiful creatures as they soar into your heart on their flights of wonder.
Good afternoon, everybody. How are you folks doing out here? Excellent. Welcome to Flights of Wonder. My name is Ashley, and I'm just one of a team of researchers that was brought here to Anandapur to study all the birds found in this ancient aviary. But the best part about my day is when I get to come out here and share what we've learned about these birds and their amazing natural behaviors. Take, for instance, our very next bird, that's Miles. Now, Miles is a trumpeter hornbill. They're found in the forests of Africa where they eat all kinds of things like fruit and insects, especially flying insects. I want you all to imagine that this crate that I have is a juicy dragonfly flying through Africa, and I want to show you exactly what it would look like if Miles were to spot it. Wow! Excellent catch, Miles! Thank you! Thank you very much. Now, that looked like a lot of fun, and Miles, where did you go? I think Miles just went around the back. Hopefully he'll be back in a moment. Yeah, we will see. Usually Miles did not go that far, so we're going to see how this turns out. I'm going to let you guys in on a little bit of a secret, though. Miles has only been in show for about a month total of her entire life. So, hopefully she's gonna find her way back, or we can have a researcher find her while she's back there, and they're gonna tell me where this cute little bird is hiding. Because sometimes we have hawks around here, so I hope she didn't get startled by a hawk at all. Alright, does anyone know her? She's on her way back out right now. And you know what? When she caught that great, that looked like a how are you? Hi, Miles. Come here, cutie pie. Did you get startled? Did you get lost? You did. All right. Now, that grape toss looked like a lot of fun. Does somebody want to try? Maybe a young volunteer. You in the blue, you had your hand up so fast, it was crazy. All right, come on over here. All right, I'm going to toss the grape in the air. I want you to fly as we catch it. What's your name? Thatcher. Take this grape. On the count of 3, I want you to toss it straight up in the air. 1, 2, 3. Excellent toss. Whoa. Look at this. You know what? That was still pretty impressive. Let's see if we can try that one more time. This time, see if you go up towards the ceiling, okay? All right, Miles. That was pretty impressive, and that was a valiant effort, okay? Here we go. Finish that one. 1, 2, 3. Excellent toss. Amazing catch. Round of applause for Dasher. You were great, sweetheart. We've got a seat. Now, folks, I should probably tell you that is exactly why there are no longer flying grapes in the forests of Africa. Yeah, they don't stand a chance with birds like Miles around. All right, buddy, you were absolutely perfect after you got your way home. All right, you can head on in. Left is the light. It's green. There you go. That's Miles, our trumpeter hornbill. Thank you. Now, if you folks liked Miles, you're in for a treat because we have all kinds of birds to share with you today. We have some big ones, some small ones, even a few strange or unusual birds. So keep your cameras out.
All right, there you are. Now, this is the second time today I have lost this tour group. So I think we better have a little with you people. I am the tour guide. This is the flag.
Excuse me.
You follow the flag. Stay with me. That's how a tour works, people.
Excuse me.
You gotta stay with a hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Can I help you?
All right now, people, I got a fast pass to a very educational film called Marsupial Madness, or My Mom's Pouch is My Couch. It's about kangaroo. You are still here.
Yeah. I'm trying to start a show here.
Oh, good for you.
Sorry. Who are you?
I am the god of all things tourist. I am Go. Joe! Get out of town, that's totally cool.
Wait a second. You're the Guano Joe.
Why, you heard of me?
Yeah, the world famous traveler and explorer, that Guano Joe.
I'm a tour guide now. This is my runaway tour group right here.
Well, I can't believe I didn't recognize you.
What?
I'm such a big fan.
You know.
My name's Ashley.
Well, Ashley, nice to meet you. I'm sorry I interrupted your show.
Oh, don't be sorry. I have a really good idea.
What?
Your tour group is already seated.
There you go.
Why don't you stay and help us with the show?
Help you?
Yeah, you'd be like a celebrity guest.
Get out, be in your show?
In the show.
I would love that. That sounds like fun. What do I do?
Okay, so you're gonna help me present the birds. And our next bird is coming up
Whoa,
just a
whoa,
minute.
whoa. Present the birds.
Well, yeah, it's a free-flighted bird show.
It's a bird show.
You know?
It's a bird show. Are they angry birds? No, we can't stay. We're really busy. I did not know there were birds.
How can you be busy?
No. Get away.
Are you ready for our guinea hens?
Those are chickens with skeleton heads.
Okay, what's going on?
You need to know something. I have FOB.
What's fall?
It's fear of birds. I am terrified of birds.
How can you be afraid of birds? They're
Oh,
like-
what is that?
This is Poe. He's our collar raven. Hey, no, Poe, where are you
That's
going?
my tour flag.
Oh, that's not
You
yours.
took my tour group. Do not follow the flag. Where's my flag?
I'm sorry, Poe took it too far and I can't reach it.
Well, I need it. My tour group isn't gonna follow this.
Okay, how about I grab it after the show?
Can you?
I can, it's just too far back there right now.
Hold on. No, he's back.
This is great. I'll just ask him to go inside. No.
Come on. He took my flag and my stick?
Yeah.
What does he work for the IRS?
How about we take this as a sign?
A sign.
That you should stay.
Oh, you've got birds and they take things.
Oh, come on. We don't want Guano Joe to stay, right?
All right. I tell you what, we'll stay under one condition.
Okay.
There's one thing I know everybody would love to see, including me.
What's that?
A little bird.
We have little birds.
Riding a bicycle. So cute when they ride a bike.
I'm sorry. We don't do that here at Flights of Wonder.
Why not?
Well, we like to feature natural behaviors.
Well, what's more natural than a bird on a bike?
You've seen that.
Of course I've seen that.
In the wild.
In the wild.
When?
In the 70s. See, a lot of these people.
Okay. No birds on bikes.
No.
That's something way better, though.
What?
It's a very talented parrot. Coming out center stage, you will all love it.
Wait, no, if you're going to bring a parrot out here, I really have to stand in a distance or hide. I can't be close to a bird.
You want me to hide you from a parrot?
It's a bird.
Okay. Hey, why not over there by that tree?
By that tree.
Yeah.
Will I be safe?
Yeah, birds hate trees.
Oh.
All right, how many of you out there have heard of a talking parrot before? Wow, quite a few of you. Now, I may surprise you to say, talking is actually a natural behavior for a parrot. But they're not talking like you and I are. What they're doing is mimicking sounds that they hear throughout their environment. Thank you, Carly. Out in the wild, that's the sound of their parents and their flockmates. But if a parrot lives in your home, they start to mimic you. And that's what sounds a whole lot like talking. Now, we have an excellent mimicker today. His name is Groucho, and he's a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. Hey, Groucho, can you start off with a great big hello?
Hello.
Yellow-naped Amazon, oh, thank you. Yellow-naped Amazon parrots are normally found in the forests of Central America. but not Groucho. He's lived with people his entire life, so he's learned to take his mimicry to a whole new level. Let's see if he'll show it off a little bit for you guys today. Are you ready?
What?
He doesn't know the lyrics to just one song. Groucho actually knows the lyrics to 7 different songs from beginning to end.
Oh, wow.
Did you guys want to hear another song?
Yeah.
You do? Well, Groucho, they're such a sweet audience. How about we do something very special and give them all a great big kiss? Good stuff, that kiss. I agree, buddy. Yeah. All right, go ahead and finish up that treat, and then you can pick any of your other 6 songs, okay? You sing that one. There's a feather out of place. Okay, let's keep going. I think he's going for a medley. Okay, one more try. You sang that one.
A bird like that.
Okay, I can see why you would say that, Joe. Bears look like a lot of fun up here on stage, but they make a really challenging pet in the home.
Because they don't finish the songs?
Well, sometimes, yeah, they go on a little remix, but you know what? He can bite really hard.
Oh.
They can scream incredibly loud.
Oh.
And did you know a bird the size of Groucho could live to be over 50 years old?
I had no idea birds could live that long or be that smart.
There's a lot of smart birds out there.
Really?
Smarter than parrots or crows and ravens.
Really?
I got a smart crow to show you.
I'll be by the tree.
You go by your tree. I'm going to introduce the rest of you to Harley. Now, Harley is a pied crow, and to show off how smart he is, I need the help of an adult volunteer that has a dollar bill. You had your hand up so fast. Do you have a dollar? Yeah? Okay, perfect. Go ahead and get that dollar out for me. I can't even see the enthusiasm. It was crazy. All right. If you're digging, 5s and 10s were great.
Oh.
Joe, you're okay. He's just scavenging, Joe. It's okay.
Oh.
All right, stay right there. All we need is your money. There you go. Now hold it straight out to your side, just like this. Perfect. Hey, Harley, we got money out there. Here we go. What do we do when we see the money? We fly out. You take that money and show where it goes. There we go. Now you're a fantastic job. Who wants to see what he does over here for $20? I'm just kidding. We're going to bring your money back. Go ahead, stand on up, arm out to the side, palm up. Harley will drop the dollar into the palm of your hand. All you got to do is wrap your fingers around that money so it doesn't blow away. All right, hey Harley, you remember where you left her. And big round of applause!
That's something you don't see every day.
I know, right?
Yeah, money back at a theme park. That only proves all birds are smart.
Okay, not all birds are that smart.
They're not?
No, but that brings us to our next bird.
Yeah.
And would you help me out this time?
What do you need?
I need 2 volunteers.
2?
Yes, they need to have cameras or video cameras.
Oh, with
They want to
cameras?
come up on stage for the photo opportunity of a lifetime.
All right, if you have a camera or a video camera, hold it up so I can see it. You're going to come all the way over here to the far side of the stage. Man right here in the white shirt. All the way over here. And you man in the tank top. Right over here.
I want the rest of you to finish this saying for me, guys. It goes, the wise old what?
Owl.
Owl, exactly. Exactly. Now, owls are not as smart as we've been led to believe, but they don't need to be, because they have awesome adaptations that help them to survive out in the wild. They've got great big eyes, great for seeing at night, hearing better than almost any creature out there. And what we're about to demonstrate is they fly almost completely silently. Who do we have?
We have Loretta and Dottie. Give them a big round of applause.
Have a seat on this box. Go ahead and get those cameras powered on, ready to go, but I'm going to explain what happens first, okay? You two are going to meet a gorgeous owl, and he's going to come out of this window right over here to the left.
I will move.
Good idea. He's going to fly all the way to the back to Carly. You see Carly back there? Now she's going to give him some treats, and then I'll call him to stage. So when you two see your owl right about here, that's when I want you to snap those pictures. And then get your cameras out of the way right before that impact.
Oh gosh.
They are. You know I'm teasing, right? They didn't even hear the impact. Oh, there you go. Video is actually a little bit easier. All right, but at the last second, he'll actually swoop up and land on this tree stump right behind you, okay? It's close and he hardly ever misses. Let's meet him. His name is Quetty, and Quetty's a milky eagle owl coming out of this window. All the way to Carly in the back. Milky eagle owls are actually the largest species of owl found in Africa, third largest in the entire world. Now let's see if we can get him to turn around and show off that silent flight. Hey, Quetty. Wow. Did you get it? Whoa, I don't know what
I got it.
Ladies, how about you come on over here? All right, if you're quick, you guys can stand right here and get a photo of that gorgeous bird who just flew inches over your head.
Oh, look at that.
Isn't he handsome?
That is really, really neat.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. Now, believe it or not, this is a male.
Yeah.
Females are a third larger.
They are?
Yeah.
Wow.
I know, he's pretty big right there. Let's have a nice round of applause for our awesome volunteers.